Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the old string, loosen until slack, unwind from the post, and pull it out of the bridge or tailpiece. Once done, inspect the nut and bridge slot for sharp burrs. These can cut new strings. Make sure the tuner is stable and the post hole is clear. Prepare the new string by uncoiling gently, then pull it through the bridge. Leave roughly 1/2 inch to 1 inch extra past the tuner post so you have room to wind. You now thread the string through the tuner post, pulling it taut so there's minimal slack. Begin winding while holding tension with your thumb or a winder. For wound strings, aim for 2 to 3 neat wraps, for plain strings 3 to 5. Make each new coil wrap below the previous one so coils descend toward the headstock. That creates proper break angle over the nut. Keep about 1/2 centimeter of clearance at the nut so the string can seat cleanly without binding. You bring the string up to pitch gradually, then firmly stretch it by pulling upward along its length several times. This settles the coils and reduces slippage. After stretching, retune to the final pitch and trim excess, leaving roughly 3 to 5 millimeters of tail so it won't slip out. Tuck the trimmed end away from moving parts. If you hear buzzing or the string slips, make sure the nut slot is smooth. Add 1 extra wrap at the tuner, or consider a lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.